PDP and APC supporters don't jam body for serious gbege for Edo State. Governor Obaseki don't open him campaign for Edo's 2020 governorship election. Governor Obaseki don't release him mega plans for Edo State when he win the 2020 governorship election. Governor Aminu Tambuwa don't tell INEC make them do correct election for Edo State. PDP said that they shocked as Honorable Yakubu Dogara don't come out from their party go APC. PDP and APC for Edo State don't they point figures for who start the gbege when it happen between them. Country people, una welcome to DGM Pidgin English News. My name is Stanley Okocha. I beg, if this one is the first time when you take to see our new story videos like this, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV and make you come at your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge tori anytime with Nakam as it happen and out. Before the news in full, I beg, make we give una the message from our sponsor, Money First. Now the full story. Now many people injured, serious injury as APC and PDP supporters come jam body for the front of Oba Palace for Benin City. The gbege start sake of say the PDP leaders and governors when they come join Governor Obaseki open in campaign for the 2020 election, they try to go visit the Oba for in palace. Tori say as the APC supporters see them, they come towards the Oba Palace. Now so they begin they shout, they boo them. Now from there, the gbege come begin. And many people now can get caught for body. The governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Nogagase Obaseki, don't make in campaign official. Sake of say, he don't tell Edo people, say, he get better plans. This one, now he talk for inside the lawn tennis session of the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for Benin City. He come talk say, he get believe say, Edo people go vote for him, and so in victory in the very show. Inside there, now he can release in plan for the state once in win. He can call the plan mega, meaning make Edo great again. Many big people now come the campaign as the opener. Some of the PDP governors when they come, now come be Governor Ifeanyi Okowa from Delta State, Governor Nyesom Wike from Rivers State, Governor Aminu Tambuwa from Sokoto State, Governor Oyo Makinde from Oyo State, Governor Doye Diri from Bayelsa State, and the Deputy Governor for Ondo State, when his name be Ajayi Agbola. Other PDP leaders, when he did the campaign opening that day, come be the PDP chairman, Chief Uche Secondus, Chief Raymond Dokpesi, Senator Dino Melaye, Senator Enyinaya Abaribe, Senator Clifford Odia, Senator Matthew Urogide, Chief Tom Ikimi, and many of them. All of them come talk say, them come join Governor Obaseki, open the campaign, sake of say, they like the way in they take the run everything for the state. Sake of say, if they give the people good governance. All of them come sit talk say, they give them in support, now make them day for the venue to make sure say, infill their presence. The chairman of the PDP Governors Forum and Sokoto State Governor, when his name be Governor Aminu Waziri Tambuwa, don't tell INEC, say, make sure say, they do Edo State election without wayo, GBT, and mago. He can call the name of the INEC chairman when he been Alhaji Mahmood Yakubu say make him make sure say he follow the leg when the former INEC chairman Atahiru Jega don do before to make sure say the election go as e supposed to go. Sake of say he wants make it be say the people as they vote it really count. He go tell President Muhammadu Buhari say make sure say it give the necessary electoral power to INEC to make sure say they do the election as it's supposed to be. Now then because he advise the president say make he follow the footstep of the former president Goodluck Jonathan. Sake of say that one make sure say every election when they do for Nigeria they correct as it's supposed to be as law talker. The PDP for Bauchi State don't talk say he paid them to their bone marrow and shock them at the same time like electric. Sake of say the way the former speaker for the Federal House of Representatives, Honorable Yakubu Dogara, take the camp from their party go the All Progressive Congress when it be APC for the state. The person when he talk now be the chairman of the party for the state when his name be Alhaji Hamza Akuya. He can talk say right from the beginning when he be say this present governor of the state when he be Senator Bala Mohammed take enter they give the former speaker correct hand and free hand to do anything when he want do. So they give him the free hand to take bring people as commissioner and political appointees when they say those people see they work with the governor when they in charge now, Bala Mohammed. Because he talk say though they never get the notification letter from the former speaker, sake of say he never come tell them how say in the waka. So for that reason, he come talk say the former speaker na still PDP member as far as them they concerned. The PDP and APC for Edo State don't they point fingers to each other for who caused the gbege when they happen between them. So the chairman of the State Election Campaign Council when his name be Chief Dan Obi, na him talk this one as they talk to Tori people. He talk say the plan of APC before for that gbege na to make sure say them buy every PDP leaders and even PDP governors when they come for the campaign. He don't talk say but God when they come to their side come do in a way to make sure say all the governors not going to complete at once sake of say they can't get delay for their airport when they want to come Edo State. He don't talk say the team penna where sake of say na the palace of the most revered Oba of Benin when it be say everybody they respect both within and outside the country. Now these people come make sure say they want to do the gbege. Inside there, now the APC State Election Council Chairman constantly talk say na layo say na PDP supporters never start the gbege. Say them talk say them want do something for the palace that day. Sake of that, their members come gather for the gate. Say as PDP members they come, as they see say APC supporters they forget, now they just begin attack them. Say na so the matter take start. Country people, now there our Tori end for this time. I beg, make we take the message from our sponsor, Money First. I beg, if this one is the first time when you take see our news Tori videos like this, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV and make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our new Tori as we dey serve am hot as them they happen. Till next time when I go still come give una more Tori when they hot like this. Now bye bye.
DJM TV.